When you receive your hearing protectors, you should be aware that there is an adaptation time of a maximum of 3 weeks. So we advise you to wear them gradually. For example, wear them for 2 hours at the end of your shift, but remember to wear your other hearing protection first. And then increase the rate of wear gradually every day until the end of the 3rd week. Just like shoes, you have to adapt to them. Hearing protection is the same thing. Some people will get used to it very quickly. A few days will be enough. For others, it will take a little longer. There are 2 ways to put on your hearing protection. The first is to insert the protection in your canal and to carry out a quarter of a turn. The second is to insert the protection directly by pressure. For both methods, you will have to make sure that the handle is parallel with the angle of the ear. This will mean that it is well positioned. Your protections have a 6-year guarantee. Throughout these 6 years, it will be necessary to maintain them so that they remain perennial. For that, we provide you with several solutions. A cleaning tool to clean the duct and the filter. An active cleaning foam, as well as washable microfiber wipes to clean the surface of your protections, to remove dust and thus avoid itching and irritation.